technology play a significant role in a country's development because they have made life easier and more durable through the advancement of medicines and disease research. They have also created remarkable wealth development and improved the quality of life for many people through economic growth and society transformation. They have also contributed to new knowledge, which can serve as a direct source of ideas for the development of new technological possibilities. People can now communicate with people all over the world thanks to advances in science and technology. They also facilitated in lowering production costs, resulting in business growth as well as contributing to development in the agriculture, education, and industrial or manufacturing sectors. Science and technology have resulted in what we consider to be modern society and living standards. However, even if all of these human economic activities result in growth and prosperity, the increased consumption of natural resources necessitates increased consumption of natural resources. The use of natural resources throughout human society has a wide range of environmental consequences, including air and water pollution, land degradation, and climate change. Throughout history, humans have developed and used technology to transform the way they lived, form societies, and affect the natural environment on local, regional, and global scales. Global warming, ozone depletion, climate change, acid rain, soil contamination, hazardous wastes, radioactive hazards, desertification, deforestation, noise, and declining biodiversity are examples of current environmental problems that affect nations over the world. Human population growth and rising or falling living standards as a result of the use or misuse of technology amplify these issues. If current human-environment interactions continue and human population growth continues at current rates, catastrophic environmental damage to this fragile planet is conceivable. However, science's knowledge and clever use of technology, combined with people's willingness and positive attitude as individuals and nations, can explore a sustainable path to save the world from potentially man-made disasters. Although insufficient, there is evidence of individual and national awareness of the environment's vulnerability. There are also signs of progress in international cooperation to protect our environment from the effects of scientific and technological advancements.
Environment is defined as the surroundings or conditions in which a person, an animal, plants, and other living things lives and operates. It plays an important role to both healthy living and the continuation of life on Earth. And as a home for different living species, we are all reliant on it for food, air, water, and other necessities. Therefore, the state of the environment has a direct impact on our human health and well-being. Clean air and water, rich land for growing food, as well as energy and material inputs for production are all provided by good natural environments. Natural environmental resources such as water, soil, plant, and animal life constitute the natural capital upon which scientific and technological progress has been built. It is thus accountable not just for supporting our basic needs but also for the sources of energy and raw materials required for scientific and technological breakthroughs. Science and technology could not have evolved independently in the absence of human intervention. There must be a support base and a provider for all resources, practically the society, culture, people's paradigms, and our very own environment in which life and development transpire. Society influences how its natural resources are used to fund scientific and technological research, encouraging some types of study and innovation while discouraging others. Furthermore, scientists are strongly impacted by societal interests and needs, and they frequently aim their study towards areas that will benefit society. At the most fundamental level, society impacts scientists' expectations, attitudes, beliefs, and ambitions, all of which influence the issues they seek and the methods they use to study those issues. Therefore, the fulfillment of fundamental human needs, the eradication of societal issues, self-reliant and participatory development, and environmental awareness have all molded new development strategies. Consequently, the natural environment and human civilization have an impact on scientific and technological decisions. People make choices based on social and environmental consideration, which in turn influence the work of scientists and engineers. Since the environment is the primary source of energy and material inputs for scientific and technological advancement, we can thus conclude that the state of the environment can have an impact on the development of science and technology.
As the population continuously grows, unsustainable practices also increase. Examples of these unsustainable activities are the exploitation of natural resources, deforestation, irresponsible waste management, and pollution. Because of these, environmental problems have become more and more concerning globally. Fortunately, science helps us understand the causes, consequences, and characteristics of these problems. Moreover, the scientific breakthroughs that experts discover are transformed into new technologies that can significantly impact environmental development. Both science and technology provided us with many ways to protect the environment. For example, one of the major environmental problems of the Philippines is pollution, which affects both the regional and national levels. Through meticulous scientific research, experts have developed the so-called green technology. The term green technology describes the equipment and machines used to mitigate the damaging impact that human activities have on the environment. On the national level, in an effort to reduce the impact of climate change, the country is slowly transitioning into an eco-friendlier practice by developing and utilizing renewable natural resources like sunlight and wind. Furthermore, various renewable power plants are being used in different regions of the country. Hydroelectric power plants, which harness energy from moving bodies of water, are primarily located in Laguna, Pangasinan, Davao del Sur, Lanao del Norte, and Misamis Oriental. Meanwhile, major solar farms are found in the provinces of Pampanga, Ilocos Norte, Cavite, and Cagayan de Oro. Wind energies through turbines are also used in places such as Ilocos Norte, Aklan, Rizal, and Guimaras. The advancement of green technologies definitely has a profound impact on local communities, and each day, new research is being conducted to improve the systems involved in making the environment cleaner. Although the Philippines is still a developing country that lacks advanced technologies, innovation are gradually being introduced through the help of science.
Technology is always changing, and while this generally benefits the environment, there are certain unfavorable effects on society. The use of technical resources by many businesses is a factor in the high level of living, particularly in developed nations, where continued industry leads to environmental damage. Technology's effect on the environment encompasses both overuse and harm to the planet. Technology has a significant negative impact on the environment, and this has even led to significant global climate change, bird extinction, harm from global warming, and the widespread of diseases are all issues. Modern environmental technology has made it quite difficult to live a normal life, so it is urgent to adopt innovative approaches to deal with inactive changes. In a way and with an urgency that is comparatively unprecedented in the fields of science, technology, and society, The problem of global climate change pulls together the domains of scientific investigation, technological choice, and social discourse. Global climate change is the first instance of an anticipated consequence of technological advancement with real global repercussions. It represents a process whose effects are felt by every living creature on Earth, including humans, and which can alter the planet's physical features. Promoting a sustainable energy agenda requires educating both the general public and policymakers. Science advances technology, thus, it should be given equal weight when determining our rules and best practices. Science offers us a vision for the future in addition to allowing us to look back into the past. Junk science must be allowed to continue influencing the public. The success of our children, grandchildren, and subsequent generations depends on our actions today. Our energy policy must prioritize education. We need to simply convey why our current energy resources are finite and causing the steady poisoning of our planet and ourselves. Everyone must be aware of the fundamental scientific principles behind climate change, and effective communication of the hazards associated with reusing unconventional resources in the face of depleting conventional resources is also necessary. Equally significant are the long-term effects of the current economy and energy policies. Society and the economy and the environment have all been dramatically impacted by technology. Technology has contributed to several social and environmental issues, but it is also essential for solving environmental deterioration, climate change, food scarcity, waste management, and other urgent global issues. Environmental technology, also referred to as green or clean technology, refers to the creation of new technologies with the intention of preserving, monitoring, or minimizing the adverse effects of technology on the environment and the consumption of resources. Although technology harms the environment, there has been a recent increase in global concern over climate change, which has sparked the development of new environmental technology. This technology aims to help us address some of the most pressing environmental issues we face as a society by moving toward a more sustainable, low-carbon economy. A large number of individuals believe that new environmental technology like renewable energy combined with smart logistics and electric transportation has the potential to quickly decarbonize our economy and mitigate further harmful harm, even though we cannot reverse the negative effects of technology on the environment caused by industrialization.